Why do creators create?
Test, test, test. So how in the world do you fish a new river? Test, 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 test. Back off the... Man, oh man. Really? Alright, so how do you fish a new river? I remember asking my dad that once as a kid, and gosh, we're about to get hammered with the rain. The way I've approached this river, because back in when I started fishing this river in 2007, the Black Warrior River, I wasn't having any luck. I mean, I was doing everything everybody else was doing, and I wasn't having any luck. I just wasn't. And then one day I got out of my little P-row, and it was a strong wind and a lot of current that day, and I just started drifting, and I literally was using this same Phillips and 6-7 weight rod here.
I can't answer for everyone, but
I have to continue this another day. Yep. Rained out. I caught my chum bag. The camera is weather sealed, but wow. I caught my chum bag. The camera is weather sealed, but the lens is not. And yeah, we got to get out of here now.
I create because I was created.
Lens is not, and the preamp is not. So they said there may be a few showers in 11 o'clock, and comes 11 o'clock, nothing. I get out here, it's like 12 o'clock now, and now it's like downpouring. But that's why I got the wet gear on. Really?
My name is Damon, Chief Pencil Pusher at Black Warrior Lures. That sounds stupid.
Well, so much for this trip. And we better get this camera out of the rain.
My name is Damon, Chief Pencil Pusher at Black Warrior Lures.